Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle guys. And if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad control arm bushings or bad control arms, stay with us, we will explain that today. Now, that should work on multiple Kia models, but before we start, let me tell you two things that you should always do when you guys replace control arm or bushing. So make sure to stay until the end and we will explain what those two things are. Otherwise, okay, when putting it together, first you may experience a problem again very soon. Second, you may have really unstable vehicle as well, not very aligned vehicle. So we're going to talk about that as we go. Now we'll be demonstrating on Kia Optima control arm, but almost the same design has been used in multiple Kia models, and even if it's a little bit of a different design, the symptoms will be about the same, and it should work on Kia Optima, Forte, Sportage, Sorento, Kia Soul and Kia Rio as well. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So this is guys a control arm, okay, out of that Kia vehicle. We have it removed. The control arm usually attaches to the steering wheel, steering hub, okay, steering knuckle, wheel hub, through the ball joint right here. Then you have two bushings, one on the front side, one on the back. Usually guys, okay, our on the front side is right here, one on the back side will be right there. So control arm guys, it's under constant stress. Every time you hit a pothole, bump, it goes up and down. Every time you accelerate, okay, actually it pulls to the front. Every time you hit the brakes, it pulls to the back. So eventually those bushings will fail guys, and ball joints may fail as well, but we're talking about bushings today. Now we start with a small fail here, okay. We have a little bit of a crack here and a little bit of a play in the front bushings, okay, you can see that's unglued guys. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's do that again so you can see that play. Okay, that's a cracked bushing, but it's not too bad yet. But check out the back side guys. Back side is shot guys, okay, right here. Okay, all that is cracked. Here it's cracked, underneath is cracked, and that will actually allow movement of the control arm and unstable suspension as well. So what are the symptoms now of bad control arm bushings? When they're first not broken all the way, they're just cracked, you may hear squeaking, squealing sound coming from the suspension when you hit bumps, potholes, when you're accelerating or hitting the brakes hard guys. Especially if it's under wet conditions, when it rains you can hear it more because the rubber will be wet, and somewhere where it's broken it can squeak when you hit the brakes. Now, when they start breaking more guys, that's when things get louder. You may have clunking, popping noises, banging noises coming from the suspension. What else? You may have steering wheel vibrations when you accelerate, when you coast down the highway at higher speed, you hit the brakes, your steering wheel start actually shaking. It could be because of bad control arm bushings. Okay. Another thing, you have a really hard time trying to keep the vehicle on the road. For instance, when the bushings are bad, you have movement of the tire which can follow road imperfections, and you will be constantly fighting to keep your vehicle on the road in straight line guys. Another thing, the alignment will be off. Your alignment will be off, as a result the tire alignment will be off, and you may have uneven tire wear. Okay, you may notice that the tire is more worn out on the inside, outside, or even at both places at the same time, because when you accelerate one side will wear out more, when you brake the other side will wear out more. So those are the most common things that we see, and every time you replace control arms or bushings, it's recommended to do it on the front left and the front right at the same time, not just one of them, because if one pair failed, the other one most likely will fail as well. Another thing, every time you replace those or remove control arm or replace it with a new one, you need to do front end alignment, and I'll recommend even a 4-wheel alignment on your vehicle to make sure that everything's nice, because if the vehicle is not aligned, it will not be safe and it will not be stable. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.